Welcome to CoreProxy.io.
In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to manually configure a proxy server on your iPhone using CoreProxy. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to your network. You'll see a blue eye icon inside a circle. Tap that. Scroll down to the bottom of this network settings page until you see HTTP proxy. Tap on Configure Proxy. By default, it's set to off. Select Manual to enable custom proxy settings. Now you'll see fields for server and port. Enter the server address provided in your CoreProxy dashboard, followed by the port number. Toggle authentication to on. This will reveal fields for username and password. Enter the credentials exactly as they appear in your CoreProxy dashboard. Once everything is entered, tap Save in the top right corner to apply your proxy settings. Let's confirm it worked. Open Google Chrome. If prompted to put username and password, put username and password for authentication. Now let's check if our IP address got changed. As you can see, your IP address has been successfully changed through CoreProxy. And that's it. Your iPhone is now routing traffic through your CoreProxy proxy server.